Okay, so still ploughing, still the same field. There's a patch of barley over there, probably about 40 acres that the bears have been eating, and I'm ploughing a bit below it. Not doing too bad a job in here, it's not quite so much rubbish. Ploughing on a curve because the field is curved. And I've got the supervisor with me today, Sasha. Have I missed any? A bit over there? No, I'll get it on the way back down. Is that right, Sasha? Yeah. Yeah, I better sit up and take notice, hadn't I? Okay. So there we are. Ploughing in the sunshine.